Hi, this is Otto Koster from Netpicker. In this video I'm going to show you how to get started with Netpicker and add your first device. To add a single device, click the Add Device button. If you don't have a vault set up yet, please create that first. You do that by giving your new vault a name and providing the SSH credentials. Click Save and then you are ready to set up your first device. You have to provide the IP address, a name for your device, and you have to select the platform from the list. Also, specify the vault that you've created before. Then click Add Device. I've added 2 devices for this demo. After you've added the device, you can open the device and go to the CLI tab to test the connectivity. This looks good, so now I'm retrieving the running configuration of this Cisco device. There we go. Our connectivity is okay. If you want, you can add tags to devices that you can use later in the tests or for grouping and selection. I'm gonna add the tag Cisco here and then I can select it using the tag selector. Next up is the scheduler. Here you can schedule jobs for creating device backups, like I'm doing here. To make backups you have to select the task, device readout and specify how often you want the task to be run. There we go. The backup job is created successfully. But for this device I'm going to start a manual backup by going to the backup section, clicking on the device and then the Start Config Backup button. After a couple of minutes the backup has been made and you can view it by clicking on the row in the table. Besides the device configuration, we also cache the show command output that is used in the tests for easier and quicker test runs. Also for Juniper, the backup has been made, as you can see here. So next up is writing your first test.